Students, today we are going to learn about accounting approaches. Let me see. Accounting approaches, there are two. One is British approach. One is British approach. Another one is American approach. So accounting approaches, there are two. One is British approach, another one is American approach. British approach, also known as traditional approach. Traditional approach. American approach, also known as accounting equation approach. Accounting equation approach. Under British approach, business transactions are given. Business transactions are given. We have to record journal. With the help of journal, we have to prepare ledger. With the help of ledger, we can prepare trial balance. With the help of trial balance, we can prepare trading profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Once again, students, under British approach, business transactions are given. We should convert business transaction into journal, journal into ledger, ledger into trial balance. With the help of trial balance, we can prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Now look at the another one. American approach. It is also called accounting equation approach. What is that equation? The equation is assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Assets equal to capital plus liability. What is accounting equation? Accounting equation expresses the relationship of assets with the capital and liability in an equation form. Accounting equation means it expresses the relationship of assets with liability and capital in an equation form called accounting equation approach. So the equation is assets equal to capital plus liabilities. After applying the equation, we have to prepare balance sheet. We have to prepare balance sheet. Now in this class, we are going to learn about American approach. It is also called accounting equation approach. We'll start the problem.